Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Jason with Tactical Data Desk LLC, veteran-owned, veteran-operated. If you're not aware, Tactical Data Desk just got certified by the Small Business Administration to be a service-disabled, veteran-owned, certified small business. That's a huge deal. So if you're buying indicators from me, hopefully you trust that I'm a legitimate business and only sell the best. So I wanted to break down a trade I took on May 14th in the morning. You can see here I've got the NQ chart up and I've got two indicators going. The first one is my Tactical Data Desk Sentinel Overwatch, which is something I use after 10 a.m. Anything before 10 a.m. is just watching price and getting ready for the AI engine inside it to load it. But if you look on the bottom of the screen, that's my new indicator called the Tactical Data Desk Volume Pressure. And this is probably one of the best accompanying indicators you can have. It's absolutely phenomenal. What this does is this measures real-time volume, order flow volume, and it plots it on the bottom. You got the bars that show green and red. That's the buy or sell volume. You've got the exponential moving averages set to a specific aggregation. You've got the slopes of the current bar, slope of the previous bar, slope 2 bars ago. All that stuff is critical, absolutely critical. You need to know that. I got in this trade when I saw the sell pressure start dropping and the buy pressure start rising. You can see I got in at 29,513. I'm moving my stop up right now to above my entry. Just in case anything happens, I can secure some profit. But you'll notice that the EMAs have crossed, and if you look at the bottom of that candle, there's a green candle, or a green triangle, I should say. I wrote this into the code, and this makes crossovers. So, or I should say indicates when a crossover happens, and it's going to plot a line that you can't see on the chart, but you're going to be able to use that line for automated trading strategies, which is significant because I'm working on an automated trading strategy for this right now, and I think it's going to be amazing. So I got in this trade. Buying was tremendous. I just let it go. I'll probably skip ahead in the video because this trade did take a while. So this is a screen recording. So I recorded this, and now I've got the video of that recording up because I'm recording this video after the fact. It's late in the afternoon. I got all my work done. I filled all the customer orders. You can see this video in total is about 10 minutes or a little over 10 minutes. But I moved my stop up. You can see price just kept going up and up and up. I got 46 ticks, 45 or 50 points, 58 points, 65 points. And here, what I'm circling is that the buying pressure keeps going up, but the selling pressure remains the same. And that's just another indication that we are rolling. And if you look at the slope over here of the current bar's buying EMA, 0.78. The closer it is to 1, the steeper the slope. That's pretty gosh darn steep. And if you look at the slope of the selling pressure, 2 bars ago, 0.31, 1 bar ago, 0.33, current bar, 0.3, selling pressure is dropping. So that's telling you NQ is skyrocketing, which I think is great. Anyway, I just let this play out while I was doing some other work. I'm also drinking a cup of coffee. I'm not going to lie to you. This coffee tastes so good. It's one of the best ones I've ever had. You can see I moved my stop up again. At this point, I'm not even really paying attention. Or I moved my profit target up. My stop's real tight. Just because I love to secure profit when I can. But these two indicators are available on my website at www.tacticaldatadesk.com. The top indicator, which is used primarily after 10 a.m., is called Tactical Data Desk Sentinel Overwatch version 1.2. This has an AI engine built in. It reads every candle and all volatility, but it puts more weight into what happens between that 9:30 and 10 o'clock hour. So at 10 o'clock, you'll see a yellow line plot. That's when you can start looking for trades. This comes with a complete trading guide. The Tactical Data Desk Volume Pressure comes with a complete trading guide, complete setup guide as well. And in my opinion, this is an absolute must-have for anything that you're going to be doing. Because if you've ever heard the saying, volume is king, that's true. Volume is king. Anyway, I'm about to get stopped out here. 73 points right now. I'm in at 29,513. This trade was taken on Thursday, May 14th. Overall, a good trade. There, I just got stopped out. You can see, if you watched NQ today, price action just kept on rising after that. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. This is Jason with Tactical Data Desk LLC. I'm a certified NinjaTrader vendor, and I'm also certified by the Small Business Administration as a service-disabled, veteran-owned business. Buy with confidence and support your veterans. Thank you very much.